Hey guys, Tony here, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a basic wall climber in Trailmakers. So, let's start. First, you're going to have to get a armored seat, just place it anywhere, and then go to propulsion, and then place 2 hover blocks, one right there, facing upwards. Select both of these, set the distance to minimum, so 0.5. And now from here, we are going to add suspension and turning. So we only have to do this on one side, and then we could copy it over. So place one suspension right there. Click configure, set the stiffness to max, and then get a steering hinge, place it right there, and then reverse to controls. Copy this over. And now we're going to need wheels with pretty good grip. So we are going to head over to wheels and then get the truck wheels because they have good overall grip on any surface. So now we're going to need quite a lot of power to climb this. So what we're going to do is go to Dragon Engine, and then we're going to place 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we're going to go back up here, and we're going to select all this, and then we're going to copy it to the almost all the way to the front right there. I'm going to go frame, block 1x2. It's 2 of those right there. And then we're going to want to reverse the steering since it's already reversed, so it unreverses itself. Alright, so now we're going to get some wedges like this, and go to frame, and then I'm going to block 2x4, place one right there, one right there, and then copy one over here. Make sure that they are directly above the hover pads so that it generates the downforce. Alright, now I'm gonna get block 1x2s, copy one right there, copy one right there, and then make sure that these are connected by copying those down there. And then we're gonna select all the hover pads since I forgot to do this earlier. Select all these, set the keybind to space, and set that on toggle. And you are done for the basic parts. So now from here, if you want to climb on a wall, you go up here, and you can climb walls vertically. You can make really loud noises. Alright, I should probably mute that. But yeah, this thing can climb walls pretty good. And now, if you want, you could add some aesthetics, so I'm gonna do that. If I can get down. And I'll see you guys when the aesthetics are done. So I am done adding the aesthetics, and here it is. It drives pretty good. You can honk. It has backup lights. And it has headlights. And it also climbs walls. I just added some quick aesthetics just to make it a little bit more pleasing to look at. Let's make sure it works. Yeah, so it works pretty good. If you guys want to download this thing, I am going to put it in the description of the video. And this has been TonyskalYT with yet another tutorial. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial also, make sure to like and subscribe with post notifications on. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.